Hey everyone! Today we're opening the Lenovo Legion 515 Gen 10. For reliability notes, display measurements, full benchmarks, and much more lab data, read our detailed review on laptopmedia.com. The link is below. Let's dive in. We start by removing 10 screws from the bottom panel. We're using a JIS number 1 screwdriver. These first 4 are M2 5mm screws. Here's a close look at the screws. These are the 4 short ones, 5mm long. The remaining 6 are the long screws. Those 6 are M2 by 10.4mm. Use a thin plastic pick to release the clips around the perimeter. Take your time to avoid scuffs. Bottom cover off, here's the inside layout. The battery is held by 3 screws. And here's the last of the 3. Disconnect the battery cable before touching other components. Our unit carries the 80 Wh pack rated at 15.52 volts. It supports super rapid charge to about 70% in 30 minutes. You can check the battery life test results on laptopmedia.com. Now lift the pack out. Don't forget to visit and see our top 100 laptops with the best battery life ranking page. Now let's remove the shielding plate over the memory and the SSD. This screw is shared with the bottom cover. That's why it's already removed. Don't look for it. There's a small foam gasket that keeps the shield snug and rattle-free. Between the shield and the SSD, you'll find a thermal pad to help move heat into the cover. Let's look at the memory. You get two DDR5 slots supporting up to 64 GB at 5600 megatransfers per second. Our unit is populated with two 16GB Samsung modules, one R by 8. The AMD Ryzen 7 260 supports up to 256 GB of RAM, so chances are you won't have any issues going above the official 64 limit. Now the SSD. This is a 2242 sized Western Digital PC SN7100S, 1TB NVMe on PCI Express 4x4. The laptop provides two M2 2280 slots, each supporting up to 2 TB, and the platform is RAID 0 capable. You'll find our storage speed and SSD reliability notes in the full review on laptopmedia.com. The hinges are anchored to metal brackets for better rigidity. This cooling setup is designed to keep performance steady under load. Check our thermal measurements and noise notes on laptopmedia.com. Here's the wireless card with Bluetooth 5.4. Depending on your configuration, Legion 5 can ship with a MediaTek MT7921 or an Intel Wi-Fi 7BE module. The second M22280 slot sits nearby for easy expansion. Two user replaceable RAM slots mean simple upgrades down the road. The first SSD slot is already populated in our configuration. Remember that each slot supports up to 2 TB, and you can stripe them in RAID 0 if you need speed. This platform uses Lenovo's Legion cold front hyperthermal system with dual fans, 3D copper heat pipes, and a vacuum-sealed hyperchamber managed by Lenovo AI Engine Plus and Legion Space. Enjoy this 360-degree spin of the laptop and let us know what you think in the comments. That wraps up the teardown. For thermals under stress, display color accuracy, battery endurance, build quality testing, and much more, head to laptopmedia.com. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, subscribe for more.